enjoy the food?
Yeah.
Hail to the chef. Hail to the cook. Scott Ramsey donated the brisket and cooked it. Thank you, Scott. Jack Britton cooked the salmon. I hope it was your pleasure. Maine at the Woodsman was one of the food providers with rice. Salad came from Gathering Together Farms. And the brownies, those killer brownies over there. They were donated by Murray's Gourmet, prepared by Chef Mike Moran. Fruit and vegetable trays were prepared by Donna Sermons and Doreen Ferguson. Dale Collins Insurance provided your coffee. Yay, Dale. Punch was donated by Tracy Cho at Dairy Queen. And bless Helen Moore's heart. Our food and kitchen bookkeeper, manager, all around good person. Thank you, Helen. Also, I'd like to mention Sheila Brown and some friends that she brought to help serve you folks tonight. And the many friends and people that helped bring this all together. Couldn't have done it without them. So give them all a round of applause. Our next organization is the Philomath High School. Alderman.
Good evening. I'm here tonight as representative of the Philomath Community Foundation Board of Directors. The purpose of the Philomath Community Foundation is to strengthen and enhance the community of Philomath, its surroundings, and its citizens by providing a 501c3 nonprofit organization for acquiring gifts, grants, and donations that benefit the overall community of Philomath. These funds are then used to support community groups, neighborhoods, and city-sponsored and civic club activities that strengthen or improve the community, increase the image of Philomath, and encourage citizen participation in community improvement. In the year 2006, the foundation provided financial support for various Philomath school programs, including but not limited to drama activities and a dental varnishing program for some of its students. College scholarships were granted to 2 graduating seniors, in addition to the Russ Hunt Memorial Scholarship, which was awarded to a graduate interested in pursuing law enforcement or teaching. The foundation also supported the 2006 Philomath celebration and 2 Benton County Juvenile Department programs, which included many Philomath area youth. There were other contributions as well. Guiding the foundation through much of this effort was Philomath citizen Rod Harvey. Rod and his wife Doris will have been married 30 years this coming June. Please give them an applause. Rod and Doris have 2 children, Amy, who is 21, and Andy, who is 17. Rod enjoys spending time with friends and family, as well as exercising, reading, gardening, and, of course, volunteering. He looks forward to the time when he and his wife can travel more often. A true person of the Philomath community, Rod, in 1970, student taught at Philomath Elementary School. From 1971 to 1983, taught at Philomath Elementary and Middle Schools. 1983-1987, served as the superintendent of the Monroe School District and the principal of the Monroe Elementary School. 1987-88, Rod served as the Director of Instruction and Personnel for the Paloma School District. 1988 to 2003, he served as the principal for the Paloma Elementary, Blodgett, and Kings Valley schools. And 2003-2004, served as the interim superintendent of the Paloma School District. Rod has served as a member of the Paloma Youth Activities Club Board of Directors, on the Corvallis-Benton County Library Board, on the City of Philomath Library Board, on the City of Philomath Budget Committee, on the Philomath Community Foundation Board of Directors, and on the Philomath Public Schools Foundation. Rod presently serves as a member of the Philomath Lions Club, a member of the board of the Paloma Scout Lodge, as a member of the board of the Benton County Historical Society, and as a member of the Personnel Committee of the First Presbyterian Church in Corvallis. Rod's commitment to Philomath is outstanding. At this time, please join the Philomath Community Foundation and me in recognizing Rod Harvey's community